Hello, my name is Ivan Gris, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the wait event. So I'm going to go and open Unity, and this is starting right from where we left off during the jump tutorial. So if you want to know how we got here, just make sure to see the previous tutorial linked below. But otherwise, let's just jump to it. So in the timeline, another event that we have here is wait. Now, the use for wait is very similar. In this case we use delay right here to delay the animation for 5 seconds. Now, it's very convenient that the animations have this delay option, but there are other events that do not. For example, dialogues or triggers or some of the other tags that we've looked into. So let's say that you want to actually wait for something to happen for a fixed amount of time. So if you want to wait a fixed amount of time, then what you do is go here, select await event, and add event. Now, I'm just going to check, just for consistency, that the event IDs are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, I want the wait before my animation because we're going to assume that we have no delay here. Because I dragged and moved objects around this timeline, I need to make sure that the event IDs still represent this. For example, changing this to 3 and 4, so that when I look at my timeline, it's still 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the dialog is going to play. This is going to jump. It's going to ignore the faulty event here that I intentionally put so that we can verify that the jump is working. It's going to jump to wait, and wait really only has a timer here. So we're going to have it wait for 5 seconds. And then we're going to play the animation, but in this case the animation is no longer delayed. So if we go in and test this,
Let me guess. You're here on behalf of the council.
and there you could see the wait taking effect. One last thing worth mentioning is waits work a little different. Just like your characters have their own status manager, for example, here if I go to time I have is speaking, listening, waiting. Well, the timeline can also be waiting. So this wait event holds everything in the timeline. So if I play it, you can see here that it's waiting, but at the same
Let
time
me
it's
guess.
speaking.
You're here on behalf of the council.
Now it's still speaking, it's done waiting, and now it's animating. So because this is from the main timeline, if you have any other events down here, even if they belong to other agents, everything in the timeline is going to wait. This wait, it's meant for the entire scene. Alright, and that basically covers what waits are for. Thank you for your patience.